Introducing the Gator GRV90MKT, a 9-inch touchscreen HD mirror display and rear camera with recording, streaming and reversing modes. Featuring a large 9-inch high-definition touchscreen display, the GRV90MKT is easy to use and produces crystal clear video quality. Simple to install, the universal rubber mounts allow the mirror to be mounted on virtually any rear-view mirror. Featuring 1080p high-definition resolution from the 110-degree wide-angle rear camera, the GRV90MKT produces clear vision and minimizes blind spots behind the vehicle. Record the road behind the vehicle in 1080p HD rear resolution. The camera will record in a continuous loop while driving and securely save footage if an impact is detected by the built-in impact G-sensor. Perfect for trucks, vans, utes and other vehicles with limited rear vision, the streaming mode provides a clear, unobstructed view at the rear of the vehicle while driving. The wide-angle lens significantly reduces blind spots and the display can be adjusted vertically to attain the best field of view. The rear camera also functions as a reverse camera. As soon as a reverse gear is engaged, the mirror display will automatically show reverse parking guidelines, making it easier to reverse into tight parking spaces. The GRV90MKT is easy to use and comes supplied with everything you need to get started. It comes with a clip-on 9-inch mirror display, a rear camera with 5.4 meters video lead, 12 and 24 volt compatible power adapter, mirror mounting hardware, USB lead, and the product manual. To find out more information about this model, or to check out our complete driver assist range, please visit our website, GatorDriverAssist.com.